Don't follow my recipe.
That's the title of the video. Don't follow my recipe.
Seriously, don't. No joke. I got 12 pounds of air-chilled chicken thighs from Costco for $20. I'm gonna cook 5 Asian dishes, which is Korean, Japanese, Filipino, Malaysian, and Chinese. I don't know how to cook, so let's follow ChatGPT recipe, and these are pre-packaged ingredients for Malaysian and Filipino. The recipe will be in my blog post if you are interested. Now let's start cooking. Turn it off. First, I like to rinse. There could be dirty stuff. Oh my god, this is so heavy. All right, next, I'm gonna take out all the chicken from the bag and dap it and put it in here.
A few moments later.
Ta-da. First, I'm gonna cook Korean Jjimdak, which is savory braised chicken dish simmered with soy sauce base. It has vegetables as well and glass noodle, but I'm gonna skip glass noodle. Let me show you my first recipe. So this is my pot. First, I'm gonna put all the sauce and put 3/4 cups of water as well. Then I'm gonna put my 2 pounds of chicken. I'm gonna put some onion, some carrots, and honestly, that's it. That's all I needed. Now I'm gonna put in my pressure cooker. Meanwhile, my Korean chicken is getting cooked. I'm gonna cook a Chinese scallion ginger chicken dish. I actually never ate it, and I don't think I've ever seen it in real life. So I'm just following the ChatGPT instructions. So instructions say I need to steam or poach chicken until it's cooked for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat oil until hot but not smoking. Pour over ginger and green onion to create fragrant topping. Steaming the chicken and put the oil on top of it later? Huh, okay. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We'll see. When water is boiling, I'm gonna put a chicken in here. Meanwhile, my Korean chicken and Chinese chicken is cooking. I'm gonna cook Malaysian chicken curry. Vinny actually suggested. The instruction says put 1 pack of Tien's gourmet paste for chicken curry with 1.5 kg chicken. Add in 250 milliliter to 500 milliliter. That's a really huge difference. Put the sauce first. My Malaysian chicken is cooking here. Now I'm gonna check my Chinese chicken. Let's see. Ooh, it's all cooked. My chicken been cooking, so I'm gonna put my 1 cup of water. I'm gonna give it a little stir. So while my Korean chicken is cooking, Malaysian chicken is cooking, my Chinese and Japanese chickens are ready to cook, I'm gonna marinate my Filipino adobo chicken first using Mamacita's powder. So I'm dissolving the powder in the water. So this is gonna be my marinade for the chicken. It smells interesting. The sauce here is not 100% dissolved, but let it marinate it. I'm gonna cook teriyaki chicken, Japanese food. Let's make a sauce first. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. Now 1.5 tablespoons of ginger, garlic. And then a little bit of sugar. Now my Japanese teriyaki sauce is ready.
Why is it so dark? What's going on? What are you cooking?
My Korean chicken is getting cooked, my Malaysian chicken getting cooked, my Filipino chicken is getting marinated. My Chinese chicken is ready to be poured over by the sauce. Now I'm gonna cook my Japanese chicken.
Oh my god, you chicken girl.
Chicken girl.
Oh, look at this. Oh, teriyaki chicken?
Yeah, I never made a teriyaki in my life.
Aren't you supposed to cut the chicken in smaller pieces?
GPT didn't say that. I need to cut.
I think if you cut it and then you cook it with the teriyaki sauce, it will taste better.
GPT didn't say we need to cut the chicken. That's a really lousy way of cutting it.
What to do?
Dun, 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 dun. Ta-dang. Ta-dang. See? I don't trust you. He actually cooked it first and then cut it.
Alright, well, we will compare this one that is cut versus your non-cut. Which one will taste better?
I trust this guy over you for that chicken.
Whatever.
Ready for the teriyaki sauce.
How's the teriyaki chicken?
Don't follow the ChatGPT recipe.
Why?
I have to do a lot of magic touch to make it better. I think it got better though. So for mamacita, I need to remove meat from the marinade and pan fry it and then pour over the sauce later. Okay, easy. Is this gonna be my at my place cafe adobo?
Adobo chicken.
Adobo chicken. I wonder chicken is better or pork is better. So my beautiful chicken teriyaki is ready, right? Beautiful, right? Agree.
No comment.
Hey, it's my first time and it's not my fault. GPT recommended me.
No comment.
My Korean chicken is ready long time ago. I'm making a Chinese scallion oil, I guess. And then oil. We said I need to pour over on chicken. So do I need more oil? I'm very confused about this recipe. I think something is going wrong. I don't think I'm supposed to cook it like this. I don't know. I'm just following GPT. Am I supposed to shred it?
Maybe different style. I guess if you shred it, it'll be more flavor. The look of uncertainty.
It's burning lah. Is it okay? Are people gonna hate me that I'm not cooking it properly?
I think you were too ambitious cooking 5 different recipes.
GPT said it. I can do it. No, it didn't say that though. I don't think this is how I'm supposed to cook.
Maybe we should have looked up some recipe videos before we attempt. Looks very healthy. And also not healthy at the same time.
They say you can pour over some soy sauce. Oh, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. It said I can dip it, but I can pour over. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. It looks great now. I made it for you, Vince. Oh, it smells good.
Questionable.
How's my adobo?
Confident in this, right? Adobo chicken?
Yeah, this is mamacita, not me, so I'm confident.
Where's the confidence?
Why is it so sour and salty? It doesn't taste anything like at my place cafe.
Maybe you need to put some water. It can become watery, like a soup-based chicken then. Add some water.
I just follow the instruction.
Don't look at me, I have no idea. Get the water.
Don't follow my recipe.
That's the title of the video. Don't follow my recipe.
Seriously, don't. No joke. The color looks so different than the restaurant. What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong.
No idea.
I just followed the recipe. Meanwhile, I'm very confident in my Korean dish. Look at this. Ooh. This one I will eat it. You can eat the rest of it. All my 5 dishes are ready. 9 p.m. I started at what? 5 p.m.?
I think so.
It's all ready. It looks delicious. I don't know.
You're not confident?
So this one, I'm confident because I got the package. I used it. This is a Malaysian chicken curry. This is Korean Jjimdak. This one is Filipino adobo using mamacita powder. So I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, say less. This one is beautiful Japanese chicken teriyaki. This one is Chinese scallion ginger chicken. Which one looks good?
Okay, out of all 5, which one you're the most confident?
I have more confidence in Korean Jjimdak, and second one is Malaysian chicken curry. And I'm not confident with Filipino chicken adobo. It didn't taste what I expected. And my least confident one is Chinese chicken scallion ginger, because I don't think the recipe ChatGPT gave me is correct. But help yourself, Vincent. It's all for you. Are you ready?
I guess. Let's try a least favorite to the most confident.
My least confident is Chinese dish.
Alright. Okay. Chinese one with the scallion oil. Cheers.
It's not bad.
Tastes fine.
If I pour over more soy sauce, I think it will be better. But not bad.
You could put some pepper too. But yeah, not bad, not bad.
I actually forgot to put salt. It asked me to put salt.
But soy sauce is good enough, I think. Not bad. Your least confident one was not bad. So, what is it?
Chinese scallion ginger chicken.
I would say it was okay. I would give it a 5 or 6 out of 10 just because you're not...
Who say you can rate my dish?
I'm just kidding. Alright, next. What's your number 4 least confident?
Adobo. But this is not my fault. I followed it step by step.
Filipino chicken adobo. Cheers. Not bad.
Actually not bad.
Initially, when you were taste testing it, it was salty and sour.
Maybe with the chicken it's better.
But also, I think you need more water.
But it didn't say put more water. I put.
Let me try the sauce. Yeah, the sauce is a bit sour, but eating with the chicken is not bad.
Yeah, I don't know how the restaurant.
Chicken-wise, the chicken is good.
Okay, my confidence is going up.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, what's next?
Teriyaki.
Japanese teriyaki chicken. Oh yeah, we were comparing my smaller piece versus your big one. I will grab my tiny piece while you grab giant chicken thigh. Japanese chicken teriyaki. Cheers.
Dry. But not bad.
Not bad. Let me try yours. You can try mine.
Not bad.
We were competing because mine was small chunks, hers was big chunks.
Your one is drier.
But mine has flavor.
Right. Mine is better. People watching, they're gonna say, your dish looks disgusting, man.
So, chicken teriyaki?
Edible.
Edible, okay.
The sauce tastes good though.
Yeah, I mean...
I had to give a lot of touch though. I put more soy sauce. I put the Korean sweet syrup a little bit. Then it tastes better.
Okay, not bad, not bad. What's next?
I have no idea what this Malaysian chicken is gonna taste
Well,
like.
then we gotta try that.
Okay.
Oh.
Why it's not cooked? I cooked so long time.
Let me check the other side. Malaysian chicken curry. Cheers. Very juicy.
I thought it was gonna taste like rendang, but it's not.
No, it's a bit different from burger.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I judge you 5 out of 10.
Oh, so you can judge, I cannot judge.
Just the Malaysian package company.
Oh, finally, Korean chicken.
My most confident.
I'm eating this with rice because there's a lot of soup. Okay. Korean Jjimdak. Cheers.
What is that reaction?
The best one here.
If I mess up my own food, Korean food, that's a bigger problem.
It goes well with the rice. So, lesson learned. Just cook your own food. Just kidding. But what did you learn?
My lesson learned is don't trust ChatGPT. I blame ChatGPT.
Yeah. Good job. Now clean up the mess you made.
So this is all I cooked. As I said, the lesson learned is don't follow my ChatGPT recipe. You're welcome to try it, but it's not gonna be good. By looking at it, it may give you anxiety how I cook the dishes. Let me know how I can improve and let me know what I should cook next time. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Are you gonna finish this?
I have to. Who else is gonna finish that?